Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anggun Puspita and room with me 2000111354 from Management Program Study. Today, in here I will discuss about whether it is important to learn English for teenager. If asked important or not, sure the answer is yes. Why the answer is yes? Because learning English for teenager it's very important, especially in the field of education. It will be very useful in the future because English is an international language used by many countries. In addition, if the teenager are proficient in English, it will certainly make it easier for them to establish social relationship with friends from other countries, but virtually or in real life. And especially in this modern world, some products already use English, especially to Android application. By mastering English, you will be greatly facilitated when you're traveling because you will easily to interact with the wider community in there. And of course, there is very little possibility for you to be deceived. And another benefit of learning English is that make your daily life easier, especially if you are searching on the internet, watching movie without subtitle, listening to music, or liking menu in a cafe. Still say learning English is not important, let's think about it again with me. Learning English will not make you lose. It will really bring benefit for yourself. Trust me, because learning English make you able to participate in learning competition. So don't be lazy to learning English because there are many benefits for yourself. Don't be lazy. You can do it. That's all I can say. Next will be edited by Marcita Blandari.
Well, thank you Anggun for explaining the importance of English for teenager. I, Marsita Wulandari, will explain the importance of English for students. English is one of the important aspects possessed by students. In addition to being an international language that will support communication with other people. Especially now, there are many references to supporting lectures that use English. Therefore, students must improve their English skill by carrying out various activities related to this, such as reading articles, debate, and English speeches. This will not only improve English language skill, but also overall knowledge. For example, a speech competition, in addition to having to be good at speaking English, must master the term, then dare to speak in public and other. I personally think that important thing that we can get from practice English language skill is that we can take online class from abroad. Students who can speak English fluently certainly have a greater opportunity than students who are not fluent in English. Moreover, in the current era of globalization, there are many offers for webinar, competition, or online class from abroad that can be participated by all students from all over the world. Therefore, it is very unfortunate if students miss various opportunities that can improve their competence. Okay, that's all I can say. The next material will be delivered by Nazaha.
Okay, thank you Marsita Wulandari for explaining the importance of English for students. Now that we know that English is important, we also have to know what are the effective English learning tips. I am Nazaha Husnul Khotimah. I will discuss how to learn English effectively. The first way. First, learn basic English words that we often use every day, such as pointing words, me, you, him, and other common words. Second, use your gadget to listen to English songs with Indonesian lyrics so that we can better understand the meaning of the song. Third, when you encountering foreign words that you don't understand, try translating them, and take them down and memorize them slowly. 4. Learn to speak English in the mirror as if you were chatting with friends. 5. Try to often watch movies with English subtitles. That way you will get used to seeing the writing and how to pronunciation it. If you have trouble, it's okay to use a little Indonesian subtitles. 6. Open a dictionary and learn little by little about grammar. Grammar will help you pronounce sentences correctly and according to English rules. Next, keep practicing whenever and wherever with the little things. Finally, use Google Translate to help you translate difficult words. Okay, that's an effective way for beginners to learn English. Keep the spirit to practice our soft skill may be useful. Thank you.